Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics Standard 7th. Today we will study 12th chapter Perimeter and Area. Part 7. Now today we will study total surface area of a cube. Now first of all student, what is cube? Cube means a square. So a square shaped object is known as your cube. Clear everyone? Now in total surface, here we have to study the total surface area of a cube. So let's see the total surface area of a cube. Now the first thing in the cube is vertices. Clear? So how many vertices are there in your cube? There are total 8 vertices. Clear? See, what are the vertices given in your cube? That is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Clear? So this all are the vertices of your cube. There are total 8 vertices in your cube. Now next thing we have to study in a cube is edges. Now in a cube there are 12 edges. Understood? Edges means the sides. Clear? For example, segment AB, CB, CD, AD, DG, this all are the edges. So how many edges are there in your cube? There are 12 edges in your cube. Clear, students? Now here the two edges are meeting each other at right angle. Clear everyone? Each edges of a cube are perpendicular to the edges it meets. Understood? Now whenever the word come perpendicular means the two lines are meeting each other at right angle. So here also the two sides are meeting with each other at right angle. And all edges are of equal length. Now the given figure is your square. So square having all the sides equal. So here also in the cube all the edges are of equal length. Now the third thing we have to study in a cube is faces. Clear? Now first of all, how many faces are there in your cube? There are total 6 faces in your cube. Clear everyone? Now see what are the faces over here. Now name of the faces are square ABCD, square EFGH, square ABEH, square DCFG, square ADHG, square BCEF. So this all are the 6 faces of your cube. Clear? Here all the faces are square in shape. Clear? This all the 6 faces are square in shape. Then the area of all the square faces is equal. Now if you will find out the area of the square faces, you will get the area of these 6 faces equal. Clear? Now let's see the formula for finding the total surface area of a cube. The formula is 6 side square. Now what you have to do is, first of all you have to find out the area of one face. Now how you will going to find out the area of a one face? Now here the face is square in shape. So what is the formula for finding the area of a square? That is side into side, or you can use side square. Clear? So after finding the area of a one face, you have to multiply with 6. Now why you have to multiply with 6? Because there are 6 faces in your cube. Clear? So by using this formula you will get your total surface area of a cube. Clear? Now let's see practice set 47. Student, question number 1, find the total surface area of cubes having the following sides. Now here the side of a cube is given. What we have to find out? We have to find out the total surface area of a cube. Now how you will going to find out that? By using the formula. Clear? So let's see how you will going to find out. So first of all we will use our formula, that is total surface area is equal to 6 side square. Clear? We have to use this formula and we have to find out the total surface area. Now here the side is given, that is 3. So in bracket we will write down 3. Clear? Now what we have to do? We have to first find out the square of 3. Clear? So 6 will come as it is. Now 6 and directly bracket is there. So which sign you will give? You will give multiplication. Clear? So what is the square of 3? That is 9. 3 3s are 9. Clear? Now what you will do? Now you will multiply 6 with 9. Clear? Now what we have done here? First we had find out the area of one face. And now what we are doing? We are multiplying that with 6. So you will get the area of 6 faces, means total surface area. So 6 9s are, you will get 54 square centimeter. Clear? Now again we are finding the total surface area. So area is calculated in square centimeter or square meter. Clear? Understood? Thank you.